Hi, I want to start by sharing something personal. I've always believed in natural remedies because they've been used for thousands of years with real results and without the harmful side effects of modern medications. When it comes to erectile dysfunction, many men turn to quick fixes like pills. But what most people don't realize is that these medications can cause side effects like headaches, dizziness, and even long term dependence. I've personally faced this challenge, and that's why today I want to share 5 lesser known natural remedies that can help improve erectile dysfunction by focusing on your overall health and blood circulation. These aren't the popular options you hear everywhere. They're natural, backed by research, and might surprise you. Let's dive in. 1. Ashwagandha. Also called the Indian ginseng, ashwagandha is an ancient herb known for reducing stress and balancing hormones. Since stress can be a major cause of ED, using ashwagandha regularly may help you feel more relaxed and improve performance over time. 2. Beetroot juice. This simple vegetable is actually packed with nitrates, which help relax and widen blood vessels. This increases blood flow, a key factor in improving erectile function naturally. Try drinking beetroot juice regularly for better stamina and circulation. 3. Maca root. Grown in the mountains of Peru, maca root has been used for centuries to increase energy, boost libido, and improve stamina. Studies suggest it can also enhance sexual desire after consistent use. 4. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek is a powerhouse for boosting testosterone levels. Since low testosterone is often linked to ED, adding these seeds to your diet can naturally enhance male vitality and sexual health. 5. Pine bark extract. You might not have heard of this one, but it's gaining attention for its ability to improve blood flow by boosting nitric oxide levels. This can help with both erectile function and overall cardiovascular health. Now, it's important to remember that natural remedies work best alongside a healthy lifestyle. Exercise, eating nutrient dense foods, and managing stress are all key to long term improvement. There's no magic pill, but with time and consistency, these natural solutions can help strengthen your body and improve your performance. I've shared these remedies because I personally believe that nature has the answers we need. I prefer to avoid medications, and if you feel the same way, these tips can be a great place to start. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Food Therapy for more natural remedies and health tips. Stay tuned because we're working on more videos to help you protect your body and live a healthier, happier life the natural way. Thanks for watching and take care of your health.